so excited. This is beautiful. This is fun. Let's now do part 10, which says A is a subset of the set with 9 and the set with 10. All right, like this. Now we know what subset means. It means that everything in A should be inside here. So let's go and see what are the things in A. A has 9, then the set with 9 and the set with 10. So everything in A should be here. So in here we should have 9, the set with 9 and the set with 10. Do we? No, we don't. So is this true? No. So we can say statement is false. So many false statements, isn't it? So we can say statement is false again. Okay? Now we should actually say A is not a subset of 9 and the set this thing. Because there is something which is in A which is not inside this set. This set is 9 and the set with 10, but it doesn't have the set with 9. Okay? So now let's talk about it. So you can now say in here that the set with 9 is, okay, the set with 9 is an element of A, but you can say set with 9 is not an element of this other one here, of this other one. So you can now, we are just trying to say the set with 9 is inside A, but it is not inside here. So there is something which is in A, but not in here. That makes it impossible. But you can say, but here, the set with 9 is not an element of this other one, which is 9, the set with 10. Okay? So that means it's impossible. You understand? The set with 9, because everything which is in A should also be in here. But here we are saying that the set with 9 is in A, but not in here. So that means it will lead us to say A is not a proper subset of this. You understand? And this is where it leads, and would be done with this one. Now we can do to part E. You could have written it better in words, it's still fine. We are now saying the set which has 9 in it, the set which has the set with 9 in it is an element of A. We know what element means. It means exactly what you are looking at. If you go in A, you'll find exactly what you are looking at. This thing which I'm looking at, if I go in A, will I find it? No, I won't. There is nothing in A that has 2 braces like this. 2 braces, no. Okay, so this is, we can now say statement is false again. Statement is false. Okay, this a set which has the set with 9 is not an element. It is not an element of A. Okay, it is not an element of A, right? So here, let's say this. You can say why the set with 9 is an element of A, but not the set which has the set of 9. Okay, which has the set of 9. This is not an element. You understand? The set of 9 is the one which is an element of A, not the set with the set inside. No, remember, element should be exactly what you're looking at. If you go in A, you find it, but we don't. So that makes this is wrong. So A does not contain this thing, and we would be done. Okay, you can write it in words to say A does not contain the set which is the set with 9. You understand? And here you'd be done. Then you can now do your part F, which is the final one, and we'll be really excited now. Now it says the set with 9 is a subset of A, is a proper subset of A. In other words, now it would mean, you know what subset means. Come on, stick to what it means. What does subset mean? Everything inside should be inside A. So let's see that. Everything inside this, what is inside the set? It's a 9. Is 9 inside A? We go to A. Is 9 inside it? Yes, it's element 1. So 9 is inside A. So this is true. And 9 is not the only thing inside A. That's why we say proper subset. So statement is true. Statement is true. Okay? Why is the statement? You can say 9, the set with 9 is a subset of A. Why? Because you can now say that set A contains 9 is an element. And this is where it leads to, and would be done. So this is what it means. You understand now? Great job. And we are done. Well done. Great resilience. Great grit. I hope you understood subset element. For subset, you look inside and you look what is inside. You check if it is inside A. That is what you do. And that is it. Goodbye for now. Let's meet in the next one. The next time we do the next tutorial, we go through it real fast. Goodbye.